Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share with you all this new product review and demo of Creme Nature's Clay and Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Detoxifying Clay Mask. It has activated charcoal, raw clay, and bentonite clay along with apple cider vinegar. The claims that it has is that it cleanses and infuses deep moisture, provides touchable softness, mineral-rich formula, detoxifies by removing product buildup, and controls frizz. So this is the consistency of it. I was a little surprised that it wasn't as filled up as I thought it would be, but the scent of it does smell pretty good. However, it does have a perfumey scent, so it might be a little strong for some people, but it was okay for me. Direction says that on dry hair before shampooing, apply the mask to the hair section by section, making sure to cover the full head. Leave on your hair for about 10 minutes to absorb all the excess oils and impurities. Rinse thoroughly and then follow up with the clay and charcoal shampoo and conditioner, which I do not have, but I do have a shampoo and conditioner that I will share with you all at the end of this video that I followed up with. So if you like to see how this clay mask worked on my hair, then please keep watching. So this is how the mask looks all over my head. I could have used smaller sections just to apply it all over my hair and get the full effect, but I would literally just be using up this entire container if I did that. So I tried to stretch it to see how much it can go, but it is a messy process, so just be aware. Just be aware. So now I'm just gonna wait for about 10 minutes and then come back and share with you all how this actually looked as I rinsed it out. So as you can see, I tried to rinse out my hair with warm water. I did not rinse out thoroughly like I should have, so what you see in my hair, that was my fault. But it did leave my hair pretty soft and my curls look pretty defined, so it did a pretty good job with that. I'm not mad at that at all. So now I'm gonna follow up with the Mane Like Me's refreshing and moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, because it does have that balance of moisturizing your hair and just a little bit of protein just to give some structure back into your hair. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you ever tried this clay mask before, and if you like to be a part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted when I post my next upload. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!